Hello. How are the leading economic indicators doing? Right. This is from the Conference Board Index, and basically the leading indicator decreased by 0.8% in December 22, following a decline of 0% in November. The LEI is now down 3.8% over the 6-month period, and December a much steeper decline for the 2.3% contraction that we saw in December. So we're on the way down. What is the economic indicators, the leading economic indicators? Well, you got some financial components. So it's looking at leading Kodak index. It's looking at the S&P 500, right? It's looking at the interest rate spread. It's looking at non-financial component, which is really what's hurting it. You know, we have average consumer expectation is down. Index of new orders is down. Building permit is down. Average weekly hours done in manufacturing. So obviously this is impacting the economy, right? You have less consumer expectation, less new orders, less building permits. Obviously, the increase in rates doesn't help. You have average weekly hours manufacturing that's not doing well. So what does this look like? Well, this is what it looks like. Friends, I don't know what to tell you. Look at 2000, beep, 2000, beep, 2020, beep, and look at us now. Okay, so if Powell is looking at this, he's gonna keep hiking those rates, and I don't understand where the stock market is going up, unless stocks don't move because of that reason. Maybe there's something else going on. Let's find out.